Okay, so here we are. The question is tan x plus tan x plus pi by 3 plus tan x plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to 3, and we have to show that these terms internet why is not working. Okay, so here the given thing is tan x plus pi by 3 plus tan x plus 2 pi by 3. Here we know one formula, that is tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus b formula, what is the formula of tan a plus b? Tan a tan b 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay, so here we know this formula. Now just apply the formula here. So I will get tan x plus tan x plus tan pi by 3 1 minus tan x into tan pi by 3 plus tan x plus tan 2 pi by 3 1 minus tan x tan 2 pi by 3 is equal to 3. Okay, now the next step will be tan x plus tan x. We know tan pi by 3 is nothing but under root 3, under root 3. So here we know this is nothing but root 3. So I am able to write 1 minus root 3 tan x. Here tan x, and I know the tan 2 pi by 3 is nothing but minus root 3. Okay, because if you see here tan 2 pi by 3, that is nothing but tan pi minus pi by 3, and this is nothing but, this is in second quadrant, so this will be tan pi by 3. Okay, so here minus root 3, then here we will have plus tan x is equal to 3. Now here we have to take LCM. Now just take LCM. Okay, so here I am going to take LCM. Okay, so directly I am going to take LCM. You can take LCM first to these things and then these two things, or otherwise you can take simultaneously. So here I am going to take simultaneously. Okay, so here tan x into 1 minus root 3 tan x 1 plus root 3 tan x. Okay, then plus tan x plus root 3 into 1 plus root 3 tan x. Okay, again tan x minus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 tan x. Okay, here 1 minus root 3 tan x 1 plus root 3 tan x. Okay, see this term I got after taking LCM of these three things. Okay, this is nothing but 3. This is nothing but 3. Okay, now just multiply tan x with this term and then multiply these all things. Okay, So after multiplying, you are going to get you are going to get, first of all, tan x minus root 3 tan square x. Okay, then 1 plus root 3 tan x plus, then multiply these things here, then it will be tan x plus root 3 tan square x plus root 3, then plus 3 tan x. Okay, again multiply here, this will be tan x, then minus root 3 tan square x, and here minus root 3, and here plus 3 tan x. This is equal to 3, and here we know 1 minus a. See here, we know the formula. The formula is, if I have a minus b, a plus b, that is nothing but a square minus b square. Okay, so here I'm going to apply this formula. So here I will get 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, now here you have to multiply again. So just see here, this is minus root 3 tan square, here plus this will going to get cancelled, and this is root 3 minus root 3 will get cancelled. Okay, sorry, this is not, this root 3. Okay, so here you will have tan x minus root 3 tan square x minus 3 tan cube x. Okay, and here you will have tan x, then plus 3 tan x plus tan x, and then plus 3 tan x. Okay, now here we have 1 minus tan square x is equal to 3. Okay, just see here, minus root 3 tan square x and plus tan x 5 tan x, 5 plus 4 tan x, 9x. So here we have total 9 tan x, 9 tan x minus 3 tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x, that is 3. Okay, that is 3, and one more thing, that is tan x tan square x, then this and this 3 here and there, tan square x root 3 tan x, and again tan x. Boys, here I left one thing, that is here one term should be there, that is plus root 3 tan x. Why? Because tan x into 1 tan x into minus root 3 tan x. Okay, so here these term uh, this term and this term here. This term will also get cancelled. So here we will have like this. Okay. Now just see here. If I am going to take three, taking common 3 here. So here I will get 3 tan x minus where did I get tan cube x one minus 3 tan square x. See boys, this is nothing but tan 3x. This is nothing but tan 3x. Okay, here we have 3. So these three will get cancelled. These three will get cancelled, and this is nothing but tan 3x. Okay, so I can write tan 3x is nothing but 1. Here we have to this thing, ये चीज हमें शो करना था. Okay, if you have any doubt then you can ask me. If not, then let me know. It's okay. Okay, Sheikh Hassan Ali. See, I'm going to tell you once again. Here we have the question tan x plus pi by 3 plus tan x plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to 3. This is the question, and we have to show that these terms is nothing but tan 3x is equal to 1. We have to, what we have to show? We have to show that these terms is nothing but tan 3x is equal to 1. This is the question, right? So here the given part is tan x plus pi by 3 plus tan x plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to 3. Okay. Now I know one formula, tan a plus b. So tan a plus b is nothing but tan a plus tan b, 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay, so here I apply this tan a plus b formula. Now, so here I will get tan x plus tan pi by 3, 1 minus tan x into tan pi by 3. And here same again, I'm going to use tan a plus b formula. So here I applied tan x plus tan 2 pi by 3, 1 minus tan x into tan 2 pi by 3. Okay, I know the value of tan pi by 3 is nothing but root 3, and tan 2 pi by 3 is nothing but minus root 3. Okay, so I just put the value of tan pi by 3 and tan 2 pi by 3. So here I got tan root 3 and minus root 3. Now here after this I have to take LCM. Okay, now I directly took the LCM. Okay, you can take first 2 LCM this, and after getting this you can take these 2 LCM. So you are going to get same terms. Okay, so here I directly did these things. So I took LCM here. Now I just multiplied tan x with this term, and I multiply this bracket to this bracket to that bracket. Okay, and here here we use one formula, that is a minus b bracket a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so I use that formula here, that is 1 square minus 3 tan square x. Okay, now after multiplying tan x this term, so many terms got cancelled. So here in the last tan cube x. Okay, 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, now we took 3 common from here, then these three, and here in right hand side, that three, these three will get cancelled. So here we will have 3 tan x minus tan cube x, 1 minus 3 tan square x, that is nothing but tan 3x, and here we have that 3 cancelled, so here we got 1. So tan 3x is nothing but 1. Have you understood? Okay, now we are going to see the next question. Boys, these questions are very important. These questions are LQs. So don't miss the class. I am going to take once again class at 1:30 today. So don't miss the class today. If you miss, then loss will be your. Okay, now the next question. Is अरे 24 कहाँ चले गया? Okay, so here the next question is prove that sine pi by 5 into sine 2 pi by 5 sine 4 pi by 5 is equal to pi by 16. Okay, this is the question. So just here we have to prove the solution will be left hand side, that is given pi by 5 into sine 2 pi by 5 sine 3 pi by 5 into sine 4 pi by 5. Okay, now just see here sine 2 pi by 5. I can write sine I can write that is pi 2 pi by 5, and here I am able to write sine pi minus pi by 5. Okay, now sine pi by as it is, sine 2 pi as it is, sine 2 pi as it is. So here see here sine pi minus theta, so this is in second quadrant, so this will be sine 2 pi by 5, and here this is in also second quadrant, so here we will have sine pi by 5. Okay, so here just see here sine pi by 5, sine pi by 5, sine 2 pi by 5, sine 2 pi by 5, we have 2 times, so 2 times sorry, not 2 times, here this is in multiply, so here sine square pi by 5, and here into 2 pi by 5. Okay, okay, can anybody tell me sine pi by 5 means? see here, 1 by pi means 185. 5 ones are 1, 5 threes are 5 threes are 15, 36. So pi by 5 is nothing but sine 36 into, this is nothing but 36 double 72. So sine square 72. 2 pi by 5, that is nothing but 72. And I know the value of sine 36 and sine 72. Okay, just put the value here and you will get the answer. Sine 36 is nothing but tan minus 2 root 5 by 4 square into sine 36 sine 72, that is nothing but 10 plus 2 pi by 5 by 4 bracket. Okay, now here after taking square, so here I will get 2 pi by 5 and here 16 into tan plus 2 pi by 5 plus 16. Okay, now just multiply these things, so you will get 100 minus 4 into 5 and here 16 into 16, then you will get 80 by 16. Okay, then here 16 by 5, then 16 into 16, and here 16 into 16, this 16 will get cancelled, so here you will have 16 by 5. So in this problem you have to memorize sine 36 and sine 72. Okay, understood boys? Okay, now we are going to see the next question. Boys, today we are going to finish exercise 6D, and from tomorrow, inshallah, we are going to start 6E. Okay, so don't miss the class in afternoon. Now, question number third. Question number third, that is, show that cos square pi by 10 plus cos square 2 pi by 10 plus cos square 3 pi by 5, this is nothing but 5. Okay, this is 5 plus cos square 9 pi by 10, 9 pi by 10 is equal to 2. We have to show, the question is here, cos square pi by 10 plus cos square 2 pi by 5 plus cos square 3 pi by 5 plus cos square 9 pi by 10. Okay, now here we have to make a combination. So first of all, solution. So that is first left hand side, given that cos square pi by 10 plus cos square 2 pi by 5 plus cos square 3 pi by 5 plus cos square 9 pi by 10. Okay, now cos square pi by 10 take as it is, and cos square 2 pi by 5 take as it is, and change this one. So here cos square pi minus 2 pi by 5, and here just change this. So pi minus pi by 10. Okay, so if I arrange in this manner, so if you solve, then you will get again 3 pi by 5. Okay, now just see, this is quadrant formula. So cos pi minus theta, cos pi minus theta, that is nothing but it is in second quadrant, and cos will be negative in second quadrant, but here we have cos square, then negative sign will not be there. So cos square pi by 10 plus cos square 2 pi by 5, and this will be cos square 2 pi by 5, and this is also in second quadrant, but due to having square it will not going to change sign. So cos square pi by 10. Okay, now see here, we have cos square pi by 10, cos square pi by 10. So here we have two times cos square pi by 10 and 2 times cos square 2 pi by 5, 2 pi by 5. Now we know, boys, one formula, that is cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, we know this two formula of cos 2 theta. Okay, so can I use this formula, that is 2 cos square theta, that is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 theta, and 2 sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos 2 theta. So here I am able to write 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta. So I can write 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta here, 1 plus cos 2 theta here. Okay, now just see here. So see, this will 1 plus cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta plus 1 plus cos 2 theta. Now here I will have, see, 2 1 the 1, 2 5 the 2, so here I will have cos pi by 5, and here I will have 1 plus cos 4 pi by 5. Okay, just remove the bracket. So here 1 plus 1 will be 2, and here I will have cos pi by 5 plus cos 4 pi by 5. Okay, now 2 cos pi by 5, and I can write cos pi minus pi by 5. Okay, see here, 2 cos pi by 5, and this will be nothing but in second quadrant. Pi by theta is nothing but second quadrant, but here square is not there, square is not there, because here, because see here, it's having square here, so we didn't take negative sign here, but square is not there, so here we are going to take negative sign. So here this will be cos pi by 5. So this term will be cancelled, so here we will have 2. Okay, that is nothing but right hand side, that is nothing but right hand side. Or else, boys, what can you do? You can do pi by 10 is nothing but 36, so you can use cos 36 and cos 72. If you apply, if you know cos 36 and cos 72, just put the value and you will get same answer, means you will get 2. Okay, is it understandable? Boys, is it okay? Have you understood this problem? Okay. Now we are going to see the next problem. That question number two, that is prove that the first question is 1 minus sec 8 alpha 1 minus sec 4 alpha is equal to tan 8 alpha tan 2 alpha. Okay, so here we have to prove this question. So first of all, I'm going to take left hand side solution, that is left hand side 1 minus sec 8 alpha 1 minus sec 4 alpha. This is the question. Now see boys, here I know the reciprocal of sec, so I'm going to write 1 plus cos 8 alpha, and here 1 minus 1 by cos 4 alpha. Okay, now just take LCM here. So you will get cos 8 alpha minus 1 by cos 8 alpha and cos 4 alpha minus 1 cos 4 alpha, right? Now you can write this as cos 8 alpha minus 1 by cos 8 alpha into, just I am going to take this into upper side, so this will change into cos 4 alpha by cos 4 alpha minus 1. Okay, now just see here, I'm going to arrange cos 8 alpha minus 1, cos 4 alpha minus 1 in one place. So cos 8 alpha minus 1 cos 4 alpha, this is bracket, this is bracket. Okay, so cos 4 alpha minus 1 into cos 4 alpha by cos 8 alpha, cos 8 alpha. Boys, here we know the one formula, that is cos 2, again cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, now here just see here, I am able to write cos square theta. So cos square theta is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 or just don't take here, just 2 take here. So 1 plus cos 2 theta. Now we need, then from here 2 sin square theta, that is nothing but 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta, and here we have cos 8 alpha minus 1. So what things we can do, minus 2 sin square theta is nothing but cos 2 theta minus 1. Okay, if I multiplied with sine on both sides, then I can get cos 2 theta minus 1. Okay, cos 2 theta minus 1. So I can use this formula here. So cos 8 alpha, so here I am going to get minus 2 sine square 4 alpha, and here minus 2 sine square 2 alpha into cos 4 alpha cos 8 alpha. Okay, this minus minus will get cancelled. Okay, now here see I have 2 sine 4 alpha into sine 4 alpha into cos 4 alpha, and here we have 2 sine 2 alpha into 2 alpha into cos 8 alpha. Now see here, this 2 sine 2 theta is nothing but sine 2 theta, that is 2 sine theta into cos theta. So here I am going to use 2 sine 4 alpha cos 4 alpha. This will be, so here sine 4 alpha into sine 8 alpha, sine 8 alpha, and here we have, here we have 2 sine 2 alpha sine 2 alpha into cos 8 alpha.